How to send large files quick and easy. Open Google Chrome and go to google.com. In the search bar, type FileMail and hit Enter. Click on the first result, the official website. Once you're on the home page, click on Add Files to select the file you want to send. Next, enter the recipient's email address and your own email address. You can also add a message if needed. Now click Send to upload the file and share it. Once the upload is complete, the recipient will receive an email with a download link. And that's it! You've successfully sent a large file. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.